Hey, what's up? We are in Maine. Pure bass fishing. Not what people come up here to do, but really good bass fishing. We got dummy and GoPro's being weird. He's over there, down the floor a little bit. This river's full of trout, but it's too warm for the trout, and this river's overflowing with bass. So we're walking up the river. Big pile of Canadian geese with it. Geese. And there's a big pipe right here. He's gonna come over here. There's something inside there. I don't know what it is. I think there's something in it. I don't know. It's just in a big old pipe. Unless it's a T. Let's do the T like this to make it. I don't know. He's gonna come over here and jig it because he's got the one with jig on it. I got a fly that I can use. Come on, Junior. I want you to come jig this tube. Better start taking the boat out later. I don't know. No. Let's see here. She's, god damn it, I can't see it. She's using a little, it's a little, represents a little rainbow. Got a quick release. And I got, we have fly poles, but I didn't grab them. I'm lucky you can grab the SD card for this GoPro. Come on, just walk up here. There's nothing in there, I just walked through there. I literally just walked through there and he's thinking there's fish. There's most definitely not. Just walk over there, there's no fish over there. I can't hear you.
My dangle is tangled.
Oh. His dangle is tangled, he said. Weird. Come on. Okay, I'm irritated now. There it goes. And Peyton, you're watching this? Haha. I got it right. I went up north. I don't know why it keeps going up to the top. Yeah. And it's like a bay over. So there's an underwater cemetery. Oh, where the cemetery is in front of it. Oh! Okay, get up here. We'll get on this bank right here and just walk it. Yeah, but there's a weed bed up there I really want to fish. There's a big tube right there. I was like, there's gotta be something in there. Ooh. Got a bait in my pocket. Hey, I found a ping pong ball. No, it's freaking warm. Do you have shoes on? No. I got shoes on. What the fuck's that? You have slides.
I know, but I don't want to wear them and get wet.
Oh my god, he's such a pussy. You know the rubber for a reason?
Yeah, the foam. My foam.
I forgot about that. He has a special kind of foam. Just walk over here. Oh, yeah, watch out, there's a big pipe right there. Walk straight over and it's shale over here. Big. I don't know if you can. It's laying down. It looks like it's sticking up, but it's laying down. It's supposed to be an old cemetery right here. Let's see what she's talking about. What's this? No, bag. I don't have anything to pick it up with. Or put it in. Or else I would. And people that come to Maine, they don't come here to bass fish. They come here to trout and seafood. Huh? We should have brought both those jig rods. I got two 14-foot jig rods. It's good for this. Rip. I know I don't do much fishing because normally I don't have the time for it, or I can't get a ride to go fishing. That's the two things. People call them excuses. I call them, well, sucks to be you. Oh, cut these. It's not rocky over here, it's sand. Right here. I mean, there's some rocks, but it's not like over there. Oh, jeez. What's this? Backyard? Backyard. Nope, this is the backyard. Oh, no, right there, I see cemetery. Almost think I can hop the fence. Come on, Junior, let's go. This guy that we're staying with, in 1 week he caught 60 bass. That's how bad this is. The state is paying people to take bass out of this river because they don't want them. I'm like, sweet, I'll catch some big ones and eat them. Now, none of your bass fishermen out there, don't get pissed or anything. This is for a reason. And a very good reason. He's talking, but I can't hear him. What? It does, doesn't it? This looks exactly like my yard. Says mine doesn't have a steep drop off. I was thinking hop this fence. The fence right there, you hop it, it's right there. Or we have to walk in the water. Water walking. I don't feel like getting in trouble today. Well, yeah, Matt's at the Elks. And then Dad's at the, sitting out by the fire. And then your dad is, well, sleeping and hungover from yesterday. Yeah. Acorn tree. If you see any grubs, snatch them up. A really good fishing bait. Huh? How about these acorns? No. I mean, you never know. I mean, bass are pretty stupid. Oh my God, I haven't been to Thompson Park in so long. You've had a 5-gallon bucket full in 20 minutes. No, go to Robert's house. He's got a bunch of. We're in the backyard.